Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to our Expels. Today it's issue 19 of Build Your Own Disney's Doll's House. Okay, so issue 19 is one of them issues where everything starts to come together. We're going to get all the little bits of walls that we've been making and we're going to attach it onto what we've assembled so far. So quite a lot to do in this one, so best show you exactly what we're doing. So let's take a look at the parts we get and what we're doing. Okay, so issue 19 now. As you can see, we get another wall, some parts to make a table and that in there as well. Let's put that to the side just for a second. And yeah, lots to do in this one. So as I said, we get the parts to make a table, so we're just basically going to make that table. We're going to put the glue on top of the legs, just like that, push that in, and then we can glue these two halves together, making our table. Then comes the fun part, the part we've all been waiting for really, and that's we're going to attach the final wall of the Mickey Mouse room. We're just going to apply some glue down here. I'm also going to put some glue down this edge here. It doesn't ask us to, but I'm going to. That's going in there. Then going to take the other wall, which is going to go down the back. Let me show you on the next page. Show you where it's going. That's going into these slots here. So I'm going to put some glue just around these two bits here. That's going to go into there. Then it wants us to lower that down onto this part here. So I am going to put some glue in a couple of key areas just to secure that down. Then we can put the flooring down. So yeah, look at that. We're doing quite a lot with this part so far. Add the flooring down just like that. We don't actually use any of the wall that was supplied in this issue. So as you can see, there's loads to do in this. So I'm going to have a little pot of glue here, and I am going to be using the a little paintbrush to apply my glue on with that, rather than the cocktail stick, because it goes on better with a paintbrush with the when you're putting a lot on anyway. So yeah, I'm going to use that for this one. So yeah, if you haven't yet subscribed to this, and there is still time, you can still subscribe to issue 1. Head on over to hachettepartworks.com. You can pick this up all the way from issue 1. So without further ado, let's get the parts out of the packaging and start building. So as I said, we do not use this part of the wall. So I've took the parts out that we're going to use. I've got them here, and I've just got the wall and the wallpaper and everything in there. So I'm going to keep this safe until we need it again. Let's take a look at the first of our accessories. So we get these nice bunch of flowers. There's some pink flowers in there. I don't know which room they go into, but yeah, some really nice flowers there. Right, so let's get making this table up. So I've got 1, 2, 3. I'm missing a chair leg. Right, so let's get these chair legs. Right, so let's get some glue on the top of these pegs for the table legs. So that's number 1. It's going to go down into there. Keep going until you've got them all on. Number 2. Number 3. Final one now. Number 4. We turn that over, and then we've got these 4 little pegs on here. We can add some glue to the tops of them. 1, 2, 3. Last one now, number 4. And then we can get this part of the table and we can secure this all together. So one big push, and there we are. That is our table all done. So this was the pedestal table for the Frozen room, this is. Right, so here comes the fun part. We're going to be applying some glue all the way down here. We do not need to put them on the tops of these tabs here. So we can put the glue in between each one all the way down. This side. Just here. So that's just that. And then this side as well. And that's that. So now we can actually get this installed. So bringing over our Mickey Mouse room, this is going to be going just down here, so let's get him in. Let's go in just there. And let's push him all the way in. So that's that into there. I do have a slight gap in this corner here. Don't know if you can make that out. Everything is in perfectly. I couldn't get it in any more perfect than I could. So yeah, I'm just going to go with that. So I'm going to get a little tiny bit of masking tape, just to pinch these two together. Sort of just like that. That's going to help me sort of just like that over both corners. That's going to help hold that into place. It's not going to go anywhere then. So next we're going to do the frozen wall. We're going to be putting glue down this edge here, here and here. So that is that done. I've got the glue in those three places there, and we can slide this into place now. So it slots in from the back. Clean up any excess glue. Just like that. Turn that round. So now we're going to need this floor for the frozen room. At this edge here, I'm going to put glue all the way down the inside of this edge here. So I've gone ahead and done that. I'm going to lay that on the floor just like that, and then we can lift this edge up and we can drop that down over the top and lower that into place. Making sure it all goes down in there with it. Pushing that wall in as well. So look at that. Turn that round so you can see. We've got our two rooms now. So we've got this room here, our Mickey Mouse room, and we've also got the start of our frozen room. So the last thing it wants us to do is we're going to put glue all over this edge here. So I'm going to go ahead, get loads of glue onto that, and then spread it all around. And so I've gone ahead and done that. We want the stairs to the back. As you can see, we've got the little gap for it at the back. That's going to slide into there, just like that. Making sure it does line up perfectly with how we want it, which is just there. Again, clean up any seepages of glue anywhere around. So yeah, look at that. We've already got two of the rooms all complete. So there you are, guys. That is issue 19 all complete. Have a look at that. That is looking really, really nice. We've got basically the Mickey Mouse room is now finished. That is complete. And yeah, we're moving on to the frozen room now. So we're going to be doing the door that goes in between these two rooms in a couple of issues time. And I think in the next issue, we're going to start working on the next room. So I do hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, please remember to leave a like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.